ho ho. Apart here this Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of toy vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. Now I will hand drive one by one all of these with my hand. First one is here, a cartoony elephant car. Let's go. Oh ho ho, friends, I parked here my first vehicle elephant car. This is a yellow and red color combination. Next one is here a power backhoe. Oh ho ho, I also parked here this power backhoe. This is a realistic model yellow and black color combination. And now I will drive this sports car. Oh ho ho, I parked here. This is sports car. This is a very nice and beautiful model plastic pink, black and silver color combination car. So friends, one by one already 3 vehicles and driven and introduced with a and another 3 vehicles here. Now I will drive this first one, police helicopter. Oh, I parked here this police helicopter. This is a pink and paste color combination. Next one is here a police car. I parked here this police car beside this police helicopter. This is a green, black and silver color combination car. And here is the last one is a fire truck. I also drive this one. I parked here my last vehicle, fire helicopter. I parked here my last vehicle, fire truck. This is a red, yellow, black and orange color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles and drive and introduced with you all are together here. Now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
Hold on, you two. We'll find a way to get you down.